Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert formulas on your Microsoft Excel on your mobile version. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert formulas on your Microsoft Excel mobile is just going to show in this video. So to insert the formula, you just need to click on this arrow section and just scroll down, and you can find an option called Add Sum. So in this Add Sum, there is a normal formulas like a sum, average, count number, max, and mini, like that. But if you just need a more formulas, click on this home section, just change this to formula section. And here you can just use recently used formulas or some actually it's things. And here you have a topic category called financial, logical, text, date time, lookups and reference, math and trick, statistics, engineering, information, database, and compatibility. So just click on this, and here you can find a lot of different type of formulas. You can just click this, you can just add values, and you can just use it. So there's a reason, or there's a lot of different type of formulas here. So you can just click this, and you can just directly use and what the things the users need to create on your value of the data on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.